Hey there, I am so excited to talk today about setting income goals so you can earn more and work less. Yes, it's totally possible. So first up, I want you to know that when it comes to setting income goals, it's really common to feel like you have to be perfect doing it. And you might find yourself procrastinating. So you might be going, hang on, do I set a really big stretch goal? Or should I make it more realistic? Or will I put mixed messages out to the universe if I change it too often? For a lot of entrepreneurs, picking a number can feel really hard. And a lot of people are scared to even commit to a number in case they get it wrong. And then they end up doing nothing. There's no point doing that. So today I have got some income goal setting tips for you and a resource to help you overcome your resistance to making more money. Okay, let's do this. Now, you might be wondering why you should even set income goals in the first place. Well, I'm here to tell you that actually setting a goal and talking about your numbers is a really important part of being in business. It will help you stay focused, make decisions, go to the next level, and save time, energy, and money. All the good stuff. So you absolutely have to do it. So we've just established why you should set an income goal. But I want to let you know, first of all, is that you do not have to overthink it. If you overthink it to the point of never doing it, it will be useless anyway. And guess what? Most people just pick a number out of their butt. It's not set in concrete. It doesn't have to be a forever goal. You can totally change it whenever you like. But here's the thing. Goal setting is one of the easiest and free things that you can do, and you can change it as many times as you like. Now, I see people procrastinate so much out of even naming a number. So if that's you, let's talk about what to do when perfectionism gets in the way of your goal setting. First of all, don't derail yourself with the belief that you've only got one shot at it. That's perfectionism, and it's the single biggest block to becoming a good goal setter. Remember, setting an income goal will focus you and help you make decisions in your business. When you're weighing up different ideas, you can look at your overall goal to help you decide which direction will best serve that goal. And it can save you a lot of time and wasted effort so you don't go off in random business directions. I've totally been there. So I want to talk to you though, if you are concerned about the size of your goal. Should it feel like a massive stretch? Here's the thing, there's no right answer. For some people, it's really motivating to have a big goal. Personally, I love that. It works for my personality. But if that freaks you out, it's okay to set a more achievable goal for yourself. There is no perfect way. There's no perfect way to set any goals. Now, I really wish I could tell you that there was one thing that is going to make your life so much easier, but there's not. The big secret is that your intention behind your goal, your clarity behind your goal is way more important. And even if it changes over time, it's better than not setting a goal at all. So I want to share with you 4 different strategies that I've used to set goals, and then you can just pick the one that works for you. I want to help you up-level your income over the next year, and it's going to take you doing the things that work for you. Okay, number 1, this is the simplest way to set your goal. Take what you earned last year and add a percentage, whatever you want. It could be based on how much you want your income to grow, or you could literally pick a number out of your butt again that feels good to you. It could be 10% on last year. How would that feel? 20%, 50%, you could double it. Doesn't matter. Again, you just want something that feels a little bit exciting for you and feels like it could be possible. Okay, here's number 2. Calculate the cost of the lifestyle you would like to live. So many people have no idea what their goals actually cost. And this is going to give you a figure that's based on reality. When you can see it on paper, it will make it much more real and possible to achieve your dreams. And somehow when you connect numbers into things that you want in your life on a daily basis, it makes it real in a way that numbers on a page sometimes can't do. So that can be really fun. Goal number 3, you could get really strategic about it. Think about the products and services that you want to offer and how many of each you'd like to sell. And then look at that amount of money that would make you. See if that's a goal that you're happy with. Great, your goal is made. If not, you might want to play around things, maybe raise your prices, maybe create something different to sell. Either way, at least you'll have that information. Now, the 4th one is literally pick a number. Like, it doesn't matter. I have seen people pick a random number and then it happens just because they put something down on paper. It's the clarity and intention that matters. So it's totally okay to experiment and just pull a number out of your butt. I promise. All right, but I want to leave you with this thought. Money blocks often come up around setting income goals. So if you feel like setting a goal is too hard for you right now, or you can't figure out how to do it, you've probably hit some money mindset blocks. And that's really common and nothing to worry about. I've been helping people like you clear money blocks for over a decade now. And honestly, it's the fastest way not only to increase your income, but expand your belief of what's possible. Now, I have a really cool resource for you. It's my free Money Blocks workshop. It can help you clear money blocks fast so you can get on with setting your goals and manifesting your dream life. You can get it at denisedt.com/blocks. Remember, setting goals can be really easy and fun when you let go of that idea of having to do it perfectly. It's your time and you're ready for the next step.